say if I need them, all of us here, I call the pity now. I can't cry. People call they tell me, Pastor crying. You know you have a good heart. Now you pick us in my put up for us. Now you pick up put up for us. Because they get shot. Now this boy now let me know say you prick to sumo. She confirm her the next day. Say to no be like to your make to collect. Person where they help and that's what I fuck him. You prick obon ya gbiwe. The prick where your mama learn. Nice tissue. That's why you know the look person, the rich person. You carry castle the husband call you insult am as if you na your mate. Castle no carry you go juju. He reach your mama to you don't go igbesu. Now that igbesu go quick kill your mama in your way. Igbesu ni ori agbe you e ngba na. When I see the momo girl, this is mama wey do like wey do man like akpani jako. Oh no, your mama dey learn for juju. I enter see the 97. How old were you in 97? In a prick. According to your age, where they with me, you are 6 years. You were 6 years old when I joined the fraternity of Asigidi. Ite na for it us. Later, Baika, may so rest in peace. Where they go to put that time? Now carry me a Asigidi. 97. Yeah, 97. Yeah, 97. Then you all look me. Can't preach. So you want to swear for me. So you feel safe, you swear, you rest. May you tell see the way God they stand by me. The very day when I want to do that swearing, I get a lot. See, after I prick my mama go swear. You see that swear? It go back to you. Everything will concern you. Everything that has to do with you. As to your be so you not go ever see better man for your life. And that your small toto that they do yeah. That your small toto. That your small toto. That your small toto that they do yeah. But let me beg this idiot say I never see letter. How can you take me to the Guardia di Finanza? Till today, till tomorrow, I still wait for letter not come. How many years later I want to come? If you donation person for Jane, no, letter don't come. Italy they slow like that. I beg how many months Italy they come, I beg. From today, his name is Ian Prick, aka Sumototo. That's another AKA for her. How many months they take before Italy they send person letter? I want make this guy put me for problem. Why you mean? Why you mean? Okay, they take 3 years. They take 3 years. They take 3 to 4 years. Meaning mama ya go suffer well. Okay, 2026, 27, 1 year, 28, 2 years, 29, 3 years. Yeah, mama ya prick go suffer be that. Meaning for the next 3 years, now Saga why they beat mama ya prick. Yeah, prick. Okay, no, now 1 month. Okay. 3 weeks now. Okay, more say next week. May say next week. Let her come next week. Hey, let her man ya prick. Now so bit how they beat your mama. Now your mother make by your papa. Let me tell you. Now your mama make by your papa. Yesterday, you want to give me food for night. I eat am. No. You eat am? Yes. I give you the food you shop out for my present. Yes. I dream of you yesterday. You brought food for me, and I told you to sit down, and I personally carried the spoon to feed you. When I wake up, I smile. I say you dey craze. Your papa, I go punish. Your mama, now go okay. All the people who push people for this saga now, they don't go relax. Everybody is now living their peaceful life. But you see for you to get that confidence, to carry my name, go police station, and will meet you. If you not put me for problem, now your mama, yes, your mama, your papa. What you want to go do? Your mother, your father. Now make your papa not last. Your mother should come aside in the hall of Isoko and confess. May carry this thing. What's it called? Bear with the rigger. Hey, Edo, bang. Isoko, oh yeah. And now mama ya preach. If you get for it, now only there now for believe you. You see where mama for go swear so now God will punish you and your mama. You see this way, it will affect you, will affect everything you get. It's a promise. You, prick, you go suffer from my hand. You go suffer well from my hand every blessed day before I start anything when I want to do. Now you will take the start. If I want close, now you will take the close. Go and mark it. Hello. Yes, this is another version of me. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you're watching from. This is Enogie, one of Deutschland, your number one most controversial Enogie matter. I am the barrister, chief judge. I not go to school. Well, not they give me gift. Okay. I not go to talk, what go they make una they happy again. Now what go they make una the verse I'll come to talk. Hey, I prick, Larry, no my gift in it. Hey, yeah, pricky. God, boy, go on your money. Go on, no, you are guy. I'm going to watch you now. There's this one get shabby for inside. Oh, no, no. You want me shabby? Oh, no. Hello, yeah. Okay. Hey, Castle, you go in foundation. You carry on in there. Castle, you go in foundation. Castle has just put money in the foundation. The people that they said I should Saga, apart from what they do, pay follow me. You don't put money for my foundation. You say let me call give you $70. I can $70. Hey, $70 no can be well. Yeah, cause Lord you know. Hey, when I guess how much castle put. When I get how much castle put for my foundation. Hello. I wish I could Saga castle look. I hear you. When I guess, in the body, When I tell me how much she put, oh come in. When I tell me how much, When I tell me how much she put, When I tell me how much she put, When I tell me how much she put, Mona tell me how much she put. Mona tell me how much she put. Come on, you know y'all. When you tell me why, Mona have me pray for him. May God bless Counselor. Ita, when you tell, God bless Counselor. What my yo? You better say, what my if you now offend me, now your mama go the beat fruit. Since I don't want that, yeah, Larry, yeah, my going with God bless Counselor. Yeah, pricky, oh, go here, be you. Yeah, pricky, if my fast offend me, now you are the beat. The year better say, if I the God say, you are you. Yeah, said, you never know it you put your hand. See why, but though, today be your birthday. If it's today, write it. Is today your birthday? See what about do? Is today your birthday or tomorrow? Okay. Tomorrow we will celebrate. See what about do? All right. Happy birthday in advance. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you're watching from. This is the innocent Chief Judge Enogie. We help people, we pity for people, we beat people. Hello? If you don't know what we do here, I want to explain. In this platform, we help, we beat, we disgwagwa. Oh, Baba. Before we go bring our musician up, did I post Oleti picture yesterday? All my fans will watch me. Did I post Oleti picture on my Facebook? Or is it the fridge? Go back. Go and watch your TV. Some people say, now me go wish Oleti are happy. Me don't post Oleti. I never post Oleti. And me Oleti quarrel. That was in the year 2023. But since that time, I'm not gonna talk to Ram again. last 2 weeks, when me and no talk again, I come meet her for Easy Baba platform. He come and tell me for there, say, say, you know the verse for me, oh God. You see this death, get the way till they come. If person tell me, say, now that day, let me let it go talk Christian, I don't believe. He said on the verse for me, he said because I be nice person. Blog are not called that part. Where me and for do Saga 2023, and they go cut. Could you imagine that Frank or Muswell, they mock the dead? Frank or Muswell, they happy say let it not die. No, not talk to a Frank or Muswell. I know say people they Saga that once yesterday say why you talk that kind of thing. Frank or Muswell, before we continue, come man, you know say you not get sense. That's why anything where they come out from your mouth, I know they take them. Even you say the thing makes sense, as far as it don't come from your mouth, and rubbish. The person when I know say you get problem with now Esther, and I used to go find their trouble. Okay? Now I used to go find their trouble. He and the husband, Esli Bagua. You can't hear say Esther, younger brother, there. The best you could do is to come on social media and be happy. You want fly, go heaven. This is the 3rd time where person will die, you they happy. That's why when they follow Mama Sharon, Mama Sharon, they do friend, I call they laugh. Because when Sharon they alive, you were not Sharon's friend, you Saga Sharon. Okay, as you say yes, Sharon, that you did not make an apology to her before you start to support him, Mama. You are happy say somebody die. Fakomozwo, you go die one day. You go die one day. And you go know how it feels for person to get that kind, for person to experience that kind of painful something. Then another person will come to laugh. Me so, as I did so, if I hear say you die, Omozo, I'm not go happy. I'm not go talk and say you die. I'm not go even happy. He go still pay me. Forget say we be enemy. All the years damn me. He go still pay me say shit. Well, say me come all that video say Frank Omozo will not die. Me not go die one day. I go die too. So when you call the why me you call the happy? Now only wait till you know say you not go experience, now you go the happy for. Not be death. Because death now everybody must die. If you like, stay inside your house, not come outside. You go die for inside your house when the time comes. Everybody must go. But the reason why people they always they cry if person die, number 1 or 2 things. If the person is old, if the person is young, they cry say, oh, will not last. You not go see them again for life. Check all the people where you know say they don't die. Since that time till now, you have not seen them. So that's why person they cry if person die. Okay, you're not going to see that person again. That person go just, you're not going to exist again for life. It's finished. That person's chapter is closed. The only thing where the doctor they remember are the children, the wife, the relatives, the friends, the sisters, the brothers. Then you or Moswo, you come on social media, they're happy, say, oh, let it go there. You dey happy? Akpubo. Social media president Mama still there, so you dey happy. And they look at the laugh. We're going to talk about social media president probably today because our mother's burial is just, I think, next week. Most still support her more. Forget saying our deputy, elder brother, all those one are. Now everybody do their burial. Wanna support a power law. Not is too small, not is too big. But I'm going to post his account here maybe later before we go. Okay, this week, you see, so I'm going to open, I'm going to call people, you get people who I'll call we will support social media president because he's a good man. He was the one who ignited this human trafficking must stop before our Babakon finally put full stop. Oba talk before he got to say no more human trafficking. He was the one who started fighting for it. So nothing is too small. We're going to talk about it, Pa. We're going to talk about him. Now I welcome you all to today's event.